Welcome spammers. Today I will show how to infinite spam with Discord bots. First make a Node.js project, then install Discord.js at 12.5.3. Now come to this link and copy the code. Now paste here. Now change which message you want to spam. Change the time as you like. In infinite spam, select the message. Let's test. Working properly. Working properly. Thanks for watching. A like would be appreciated.